Okay, everybody, so you guys know that I'm a little behind by accident, but that's okay. So my hometown is Copper's Cove, and that's right next to Colleen, which is contains Fort Hood, which is one of the largest military bases, and that. So they actually do have a small farmers market, and it's rare when you get to spot it, but so I decided, well, why don't we do something based off the name right here, which is Copperas Cove. Now, I remember one of my history teachers saying that the people that basically kind of discovered this town, I don't remember if this is true or not, now this is just lore, that this guy tasted water from whale. He was like, tastes like copper. And so that's kind of how Copper's Cove got their name and everything from that. Now, I tried to actually do some of this painted by hand. So I did do a soft airbrush for the water and the grass here. So, and then I added some gold flecks just to give it that idea. Now, I'm awful at drawing, what do you call it? Dots and that. So, but I tried. And I tried to use different wood colors just to give it some realness to it. Now, this is cute as like a little patch or something like that. Not so much as for a professional setting, unless they're putting that as like a tiny little picture, like they would do for like bananas or something. Now, moving on to the next one, this one's really basic. This has a bunch of outer glow, bevel and emboss, and strokes and that. So I wanted to do something, the text I use is called Grand Hotel. I really like the classic, simple feel, but it's so elegant in a way. But I wanted to make sure that it was yellow in a way to try to give it this brassy copper feel. Now, I know that it doesn't look like copper, but I figured if I were to make it orange or something like that, it wouldn't look as good. So I was trying to stay away from it as much as possible and give it more of a gold feel, because Copper's Cove prides itself over it having the colors of being gold and blue instead. Now, there's no blue in this, but as you guys can go back and see here, that the water and everything, I tried to make it nice, pretty deep blue. As far as this is something simple, Copperas Cove Farmers Market, so CCFM. So sounds like a broadcasting show or something. Okay, moving on. Something really basic. This would probably go on business cards or whatever, and I used this neat little text. Again, it's still Grand Hotel, and I did that throughout all my designs here, as you can see. So, and I think this is something they actually do use for when they design their t-shirts for Copper's Cove. Now, this one, I made the first letters for Copper's Cove a bit thicker. As you can tell, they are different font sizes. The ones that are the same would be the Cove and Farmers part, and then we have the market part being the font size of 120 point, and then Copper's Cove is Copperas is 200 font point. I wanted to try to give it a pause in between when you say Copper's Cove and then Farmer's Market. So I took the apostrophe and kind of turned that into that moment of pause to give you guys to think about it. But it's still part of using the farmers, and farmers is plural, and it's supposed to be owner of a bunch of people at once, so that's how you would use that. Otherwise, I think I did an okay job. You guys can let me know. This was fairly simple, although I did procrastinate, I will admit, and that's on me. But I got it done, and it's still technically same day. Anyways, I do hope you guys enjoyed this nice little sketch. I fairly did enjoy doing this. And I feel really proud of it just because I've been working on trying to get other things like this, or off to the side I've been trying to learn how to use my new drawing pad. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know.